हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। ये देखो मेरे पास क्या है, एक डायनासोर। तो बच्चों वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। A for alligator. A for alligator. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for cat. C for cat. C for cow. D for drum. D for drum. E for elephant. E F F F for fish. F G G for giraffe. H H for hat. I for insect. J for jug. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for volcano. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you बच्चों, thank you for watching.